Welcome back to It Creami. Tonight we're making hummus.
Dump in your can of chickpeas. I drained out a little bit of the liquid, but I kept some in. Go in with a little bit of EVOO, a clove of garlic going in, and of course some tahini. Last but not least, salt. Give it a good stir, pop a lid on it, and into the freezer for 24 hours. Bye, chickpeas. Ooh, my frozen chickpeas. I don't even know what to push here. Let's do sorbet. Let's do a little lemon juice to get this party started. Oh, still needs more. Third time's the charm, hopefully. No. Who said this made good hummus? We're adding some water. I don't know. I think I make creamier hummus with my immersion blender.
I'm guessing they eat this frozen? It's almost chalky. Nope. Don't do that. It cannot creamy.